What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just found the cutest end cap, and these are brand new. We have summer vibes. So cute. They feel really sturdy. We have Tropical Life. We have Life is a Beach. Enjoy the waves. We have Hello Sweet Summer. These are so cute, and look. We have matching little trays, and they feel like melamine. They're really cute. Here are the colors we have. And then over here, we have the tumblers. I was checking to see if they're BPA free. It doesn't say. This one's pretty. If you guys missed my Family Dollar video where in the thumbnail I have the lemons and the cups and everything, you guys have to see that one because they have a lot of cute items, and you know Family Dollar is a sister store, so there are a lot of dollar items as well. $1 food tents. Look, you guys, this is always a great deal. We have kitchen towels, 1 to a pack. Flamingos. Looks like we probably sold out on some of these other ones. The dish drying mats. You guys know I love using these as placemats. I just wash them and air dry them, and they work so well. We also have the chair pads. And we have all of the varieties here. Bubble fans. All the bubbles. I haven't seen any big packs of chalk. I've just seen the little things of chalk so far. A bubble flying disc. Has anyone tried this? This looks really fun. It feels really sturdy too. This part feels sturdy. They're recommending for ages 4 and up. You guys definitely check out some of my other videos if you missed them, because I've been working my way through the store and I've been finding a lot of good items, a lot of brand new Ioni lashes, and I just spotted another display here, even though most of them are sold out. This is my first time seeing this display. Like, I remember the money display, but I don't remember the pink and peachy packaging. The shaving soaps are new this week. And I've only seen these in one other store. This is the Formula 44 Vicks Cough and Sore Throat Lozenge. You get 16 to a box. A nice, beautiful display of Bolero items. The hair masks, the hand therapy mists, the soaps, the body cleansing wipes. I love the facial mists. If you guys haven't ever tried the facial mist, you definitely need to try them. They're really nice. We have brand new gold baskets this week. The dryer balls were released last week. We also have a 3 count of mesh laundry bags, and they have zipper closures. They're not the drawstring, they have the zipper closures. Perfect for lingerie. What's over here? Most of the Nestle splashes are no longer 6 packs, now they're 4 packs. But in some stores, you'll still find a 6-pack. So if you do grab that 6-pack, look for that 6-pack. Adrenaline Shock, sour candy, natural caffeine, only 10 calories. That's new. The Stacker 2s are here. The True Lemon drink packets are here. Made from real lemons. This is my first time seeing the black raspberry hints. It's with the caffeine kick. We have some other flavors too. We have watermelon. We have pineapple. We have blackberry. The Ice Mountain Sparkling Triple Berries. Those are new this week. New for me at least. We also have lime. I spotted these in Dolly last week. You guys, these are 100% real juice. The pomegranate blueberry and the strawberry banana are also 100% real juice. Now these have caffeine in them and 50 calories a can. These are also brand new. The Tampico in Mango Punch and Citrus Punch, 0 sugar. I think they're 10 calories. No, this one's 5. Maybe it's this one that's 10. Yeah, this is the one that's 10. You guys know I had to buy a couple of those. Now behind me, we have socks. And what else? The Sweet Summertime is so cute. We also have the I'm Very Cute. You Are My Main Squeeze. Those are adorable. Sweet as a peach. I hadn't even seen some of these other varieties in my other locations. No Bad Vibes. This is a 3-pack. Aw, love the colors on that. Brand new 3-packs, you guys. Perfect for summer. They are kind of thin. If your kids are into thin socks, or if you're into thin socks, I would recommend washing them and drying them flat. They do get a little bit of piling, but not horribly bad. Aw, hello sweeties. So cute. New lightweight baby blankets if you just need a little something for baby. All the pacifiers, brushes, the teethers. The bottle brushes. Okay, let's see if we have any other new juices or new drinks over here. Cran watermelon, 11% real juice. That's my first time ever seeing that. We have little Martinelli's, sparkling cider, and the sparkling apple juice. The kids are actually with me today, so if I want to get them a little something, I can. Versus trying to drive home a whole hour and hoping that it will last. Super pretzel bites. Don't forget, these are also made by the same company. So those are actually super pretzels. Blueberries, sliced peaches. You can't go wrong with any of the frozen fruit here. Yeah, you guys, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna see if I wanna film an additional video or two. I wanna see if I can find some more new items for you guys, but oh my gosh, you guys, I love going to new locations. If you're able to, try to go to a new location every once in a while if yours seems to not have anything new. It is so much fun to go to a new location. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.